Suppose I give you tan theta is minus root 3. So often what you people will ask is, since we have taken root 3, I am telling you that theta is in second or fourth quadrant, because these are the two places where your tan is negative. So I asked you to write theta as either 180 minus, when tan is root 3, you know it's 60, so just write 60 here, or fourth quadrant 360 minus 60. So that is going to get you this value. For example, if you are going to have tan of 180 minus 60, this will get you back minus tan 60. Why do you have this minus? Because this angle is in second quadrant where your sign alone is positive, all silver teacups, and therefore you have tan negative. And for even multiple of 90, that is 2 into 90, 180, you wouldn't change this ratio. So tan will be maintained as tan, you will have 60. So that is going to get you that minus root 3. Suppose you are going to think the other way, tan of, why don't I take 90 plus? So 90 plus will get you same minus sign because of its quadrant. But when you have odd multiple of 90, that is 90 into 1, previously we had 2 into 90, which was an even multiple. So here you will have to change your tan to cot, in which case your cot 60 will get you 1 by root 3 and not the desired value. So that is why we tell you, when I say second quadrant angle, think as 180 minus. If it is fourth quadrant, think it as 360 minus. Don't go for 270 plus or 90 plus. That will get you a wrong answer here. Okay. Similarly, when you have this theta to be in fourth quadrant, it is 360 minus 60, which will get you minus tan 60, which is minus root 3. That was the value there above. Suppose you say it's a fourth quadrant, that is, why don't you write 270 plus 60? And what will happen is, you get minus cot 60. Again it will get you minus 1 by root 3 and not that minus root 3. Okay, so that is why we tell you, if I say an angle is in second quadrant, always think it as 180 minus. Suppose I give you sin theta is equal to 1 by 2, and now it is positive. Where can be your angle? Sin is positive in two quadrants, that is first where all are positive, or second. So you have two options of writing this theta. Theta is pi by 6, that is 30 degrees, or your theta could be even here. This angle is what we ask you to write it as 180 minus, you know it's 30, just write 30. You'll get the corresponding answer as 5 pi by 6. That is namely 30 into 5, which is 150 degrees. Had this been minus, suppose I give you minus here, sin theta equal to say minus half, then what you would say is, when your sin theta is minus half, what you would do is, your theta has to be either in third quadrant or in fourth quadrant, in which situation you should think your angle to be 180 plus because it's in third quadrant, or 360 minus because it's in fourth quadrant. And then forget about this quadrant, just think about when your sin is half, it is at 30, so just write 30, which is pi by 6, and thereafter you get a value seven pi by 6. And here you have 12 pi, so 11 pi by 6. So I think it should be clear by this time now.